Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial or the tips how to create a viral or trending videos with the Capcut application. So first thing we have to do is just open the Capcut application. Okay, hold on until we are there. Okay, now we're already in a Capcut. So to create a trending or a viral video, you have to go into the templates. And here you can scrolling down, find out what templates that mostly used by people who are using Capcut by seeing this site. So means that it's already recreated by 36,000.3 peoples or the user of the Capcut. You just need to find out a template that have a lot of users that already recreated. For example, let's do a test. It's already recreated by 700 plus Capcut user. You just need to click it, and after that you just need to go click a use templates. Now you just need to follow the instruction. You just need to add 3 photos of you to get the template is fulfilled. Okay, for example, let's do it this and this, and after that we can go with preview. You feel that you haven't satisfied yet, you can edit several parts by just clicking the picture, and after that you just need to click crop, and you just need to track which position that you want to these pictures appear on the templates. And after you're done adjusting, just click done. You just need to do the same for the rest of the picture. Okay, and last one. Okay, and after you're done and satisfied with everything, just click export. And now you can just go click save to device, but with the consequence that you will have a Capcut watermark. But if you want to this Capcut watermark disappear, you just need to go click save and share it into TikTok, and this video will be generated into your TikTok account. And after you're done, just need to click next. And after you're done with everything, you can add a summary caption, and after that you can just click pause. That's all the way. That's the tips how to create a trending video by Capcut application. So if you find that this tutorial is quite get you so well, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.